Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I think this is the first time maybe a lot of people even heard me speak and talk, and I'm just really excited because I'm actually taking this YouTube thing serious for once. I did start a year ago, but I wasn't consistent. So now I will be producing good content for you guys, fashion tips. I'll even do wig reviews, just different things like that that interest you. So today I want to talk about how to style all black celebrity looks. I would just try to explain where I got some of these items from and why I kind of pair them together. So hope you enjoy. And if you can, please subscribe. I will be trying to post more videos. Okay, so the first scene we have here is me in this hat, which I will be selling soon. 24/7 fashion, if you don't know. Anyway, so the first look is a black satin blazer. Black satin blazer I actually got from Forever 21. It cost maybe $21. I got it a while ago, but I know a lot of other places do carry some type of satin or silk blazer. Right now it might be on sale since it's kind of phasing out of season, but you can probably still find it at other places online. Black sweater is actually a sleeveless black sweater that I had thrifted. So that particular item, I won't be able to share the exact link of where I got it, but I can find other items that are similar. I just layered it under with a sheer top that I got from H&M, which I love the little puffy sleeves. They're so cute. Leather skirt. I got that one. Fashion Nova. I know a lot of places like Pretty Little Thing, they all have a black midi length, black mini skirt. But I'll post below because I really can't right now remember. I remember it was between those two stores. And then I kind of added the belt. The belt, oh my god. Let me tell you guys about this belt. The ring belt. The ring belt. I actually was looking all over for this belt when it first came out last year, and everyone was wearing it. So I did find one. You know where I found it at? Amazon. Amazon is a curse and a blessing. Amazon Prime too. I have an Amazon Prime. I can't do without. Belt was only $12.50. $12.50. Let me just grab it. Look at this belt. Look at this. Isn't this cute? It has not one but two buckles, and one is the larger size, so you can switch it out. Isn't that great? So I do love this. It kind of gives items like a slight edge. And the last piece of the first look is the black booties. The little black booties, I call the Kim K sock booties, whatever you want to have it. I actually did get those at TJ Maxx as well. Those are Steve Madden boots. They're very comfortable. But I just personally don't like to wear stilettos a lot. I like black heels. So yeah, but that pretty much ties up the first look. The second look is more of an elegant look. I wanted to pair a nice flowy dress with a hard leather jacket, kind of like a hard and soft going on. I feel like a lot of celebrities do this look where they kind of do something satin or silk or chiffon, and then they'll have like a puffy jacket over it, or a hard leather jacket, or some type of hard material to kind of balance it out. So the dress is a DKNY dress I got on sale. It was originally $150 or $200, and I got it for $50. I actually found it, I think I did get it online, maybe from Poshmark or somewhere, but I got it in a larger size because I wanted the way the back is out. And then yeah, I got the black jacket from Zara. I got it on sale as well. I think it was originally $250 and I paid $100. It's genuine leather. I take care of it, and you have to invest in those little pieces that will last a long time. And it just so happened that one was on sale, so I got really lucky. Then I just paired that with a pair of silver closed-toe pumps. These are actually Sam Edelman pumps that I got from TJ Maxx, my favorite store. You will hear about them a lot. I feel like people sleep on TJ Maxx and they sleep on Amazon. and they sleep on Tarjay, but we gonna talk about them today, okay? Next look is the black blazer romper. I believe I got this at South Moon Under, which is a store that's only, I think, on the East Coast, and they just opened up one down south. But they have the black rompers at Misguided, which my mom actually wanted one, so I got her one, and I believe Misguided still has some up there. And high boots I actually got at Forever 21. You would not believe they were marked down. You know, Forever 21 has the 50% off sale, buy one get one 50 or whatever they do, BOGO. I bought 2 of those boots and I gave one to a friend because they were so cheap. They last a long time, they're comfortable, and the patent leather thigh hat actually goes past my thigh because I have such short legs apparently. So I had to scrunch them down in the video for you to actually see my thigh, but it worked out. And I pull them out sometimes, you know, when I want a little spice up my wardrobe. I'll bring the boots out. Added a black fur. The black fur, I think it's from Asos, but really I'm not sure because a friend let me borrow it and I just never gave it back. That's wrong, ain't it? So wrong. Then the last look is a more like a editorial street look I wanted to do. Some celebrities like Rihanna will do oversized coats or jackets with a sexy, you know, sporty look underneath. So I wanted to pair the DKNY top that I got from TJ Maxx. Like I say, you're gonna keep hearing TJ Maxx, okay? Not that because I used to work there in college, but they have good stuff. So I got the top from TJ Maxx. It's actually an athletic top, and then I paired it with black patent leather pants that I got from H&M. And then the shoes are actually a little boys, size 4. They're a pair of Nikes. Forgot what they're called. I want to say they're Nike Flights. I'm not good with names. I know the guys, we know all the names of Jordans and stuff. I just know what it looks like and who wears it. So yes, so I like that look. It's very clean and chic. And then on top of those 3 pieces, I wanted to add oversized jackets to kind of give it a high fashion look. The clear raincoat I got from Amazon. And the black puffer jacket was actually, I want to say it's vintage. It's a Tommy Hilfiger and it's a men's large. I wanted that to feel big and comfortable, and it has big comfortable pockets, and I just love the way it feels. And even though I'm very small and everything's huge on me, the look actually pulled together once I start pulling the layers off and having fun with it. It was kind of cool, little street edge look. But yeah, so that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please watch part 1 of this video, which is just the ensemble of the outfits together, all the black looks together. And if you can, please subscribe below. Please subscribe below. Tell everybody I started a YouTube channel again, and we taking it serious this time. And yes, please just subscribe, stay tuned, and stay shining.